In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple logo using Gemini AI, specifically designed for an apartment business. Let's dive right in and explore how we can accomplish this efficiently and effectively. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is open your internet browser and navigate to Google. Once you've done that, type the phrase Google Gemini into the search bar. This should pull up a list of search results. You're looking for the official Google Gemini website, which should be one of the top results. Click on it to proceed. After you've opened the Google Gemini website, you'll notice several options on the homepage. Look for the icon or button that says Create Image. Go ahead and click on it to begin crafting your logo. This feature is specifically designed to help you create stunning visuals, and we'll leverage its capabilities for our project today. Now comes the creative part, forming your design prompt. This is key as it guides in generating the logo you envision. Given that we're crafting a logo for a modern apartment business, construct a prompt that is both clear and descriptive. Let's consider something along these lines. Design a minimalist, high-definition 3D logo for a modern apartment business. The logo should feature a sleek, geometric building icon and clean, sans-serif typography in neutral tones. Add subtle depth and lighting to make it look premium, professional, and instantly memorable as the best logo in its category. Feel free to adjust the wording to suit your specific taste and requirements, but keep the details concise and focused. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, you'll see a Submit button somewhere on the interface. Click on it. This action will send your prompt to the AI, which will then begin generating your logo. The AI will take a moment to process your prompt and create various logo options based on your input. This usually doesn't take long, but it's a good opportunity to think about any refinements you might want. As the options appear, take a moment to review them closely. Look for elements that capture the essence of your business and convey the professionalism and modernity you desire. If the initial results aren't quite what you imagined, you can refine your prompt or make adjustments to suit your needs better. And there you have it. You've now created a simple yet sophisticated logo for your apartment business using Google Gemini AI. This tool is incredibly useful for those who need quick, professional-grade visuals without the extensive time or costs typically associated with design work. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. Be sure to experiment with different prompts and designs to fully utilize the power of AI in your creative projects. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.